Hi, everyone. We heard your feedback from last year. We're excited to launch our new conference app and registration site. From the Michigan AEYC website, miaeyc.org, you will see a link to the conference homepage. Once you click here, it'll take you directly to the registration page. From this conference homepage, you're able to access the conference details, hotel information with links to discounted registration on rooms, and on the same page, you'll also see a tab for both attendee registration and exhibitor registration. To take a look at what sessions will be offered, you can take a look at the agenda tab. They're listed out by date. To register for the conference, you'll need to navigate to the attendee registration tab. Please take a moment to read through the registration information. You will need an individual email address for each attendee. This email will be used to log into both the conference app and the Knowledge Center to manage sessions, access conference information, and the on-demand sessions. You will need to select one of the following registration options. Please read the details on each option carefully. This year, we're offering some fun add-on events. Please be sure to add these events onto your registration before checkout, as they will not be available for registration in the app and will fill up quickly. Join us for our Breakfast and Learn events and earn some additional training credit hours while you grab some breakfast before the conference. It is Michigan AEYC's 50th anniversary this year. Join us for our Golden Legacy Gala and enjoy dinner, cocktails, live music, and dancing. We are also offering some additional make and take sessions where you can take some tools back to your classrooms with you. We will have our member-only events this year as well. Join us for the Michigan AEYC Member Mystery Dinner on Friday night, or the Zumbini training available on Saturday. Once you have completed the form and added your desired add-on sessions, click Save and Continue, and you'll move on to your session selections. This year, we have added the ability to choose your sessions ahead of time to ensure that you're able to attend the sessions most relevant to you. You will have the opportunity to change these sessions after registration within your conference. After you save and continue, you'll review registration and add to cart. You are able to add more than one registration to your cart at checkout. Just click Attendee Registration and add another registration. Once you pay and check out, you are officially registered for the Michigan AEYC conference. Don't forget to download the Michigan AEYC app. You can find the link by clicking on Get the App tab. Just searching MIAEYC or Michigan AEYC in the App Store or Google Play, you'll be able to find our conference app. If you don't have access to a smartphone, you're always able to access your account on the web by using this link below. Once you have downloaded the Michigan AEYC app, it will request your email code from your login. From the conference app, you're able to access your agenda with your sessions and your schedule. You are also able to change your seat reservations from within the app. On the map button, you are able to access maps from both Amway and DeVos. There's also attendee and exhibitor directories, chat rooms, and links to see your earned training credits. We are so excited to offer this new platform to you and hope that it makes your conference experience more enjoyable. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help.